have given you the work. Means I have explained you about the articles. Means definite article and indefinite articles is it. Definite article is the, and indefinite articles are a and an. And when we have to use a or an, and when we have to use the. This also I have explained you. And when we have to omit the articles. Means कब हमें articles का उपयोग नहीं करना चाहिए, ये भी मैंने आपको सेट किया था. And I hope everything you have written in your fair notebook. Now today those students who are having the textbook, you have to fill in your textbook. Those students who are not having the textbook, you have to write every question in your fair notebook. So let's start now. Let's try 7. Okay, if you have understood the topic yesterday, what I have explained you about the articles, you can easily do the let's try 7 by yourself. Okay, now the first question you can see on the board. You can see on the board there is a question number. Let's try 7. A, and, or the. We have to write. We have to fill this on the screen. You can see the questions. Who is it? Now the first question is fill in the blanks with a and the or x for no articles. Yes students, you can see the main heading what they have written, that we have to fill in the blanks. Means खाली स्थानों को हमें भरना है with the help of a and the. Okay, if there are in front of some words we won't use any articles. Means वहाँ पे हम a and और the का use नहीं कर सकते. So what we have to write, we have to put the x in front of that word, means in front of the nouns. Okay students, now the first question is A is I play, you can see on the screen, I play dash football better than I play dash guitar. I play football better than I play dash guitar. अब हम यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं फुटबॉल. फुटबॉल इज अ नेम ऑफ अ स्पोर्ट्स, है ना. फुटबॉल एक गेम ही हुआ या नहीं हुआ, वो एक ऐसा इंस्ट्रूमेंट हो गया, या फिर हम गेम भी बोल सकते हैं उसको. तो यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे हम, अब यहाँ पे हम कोई भी आर्टिकल यूज नहीं कर सकते. सो वी विल पुट एक्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ द फुटबॉल. नेक्स्ट इज बेटर देन आई प्ले गिटार. अब ये क्या हुआ, एक मीन्स ये एक क्या है, एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट है, मीन्स म्यूजिक इंस्ट्रूमेंट है. तो इसके आगे हम क्या यूज कर सकते हैं, प्ले द गिटार. सो यहाँ पे हम क्या यूज करेंगे, वी विल राइट द गिटार इन फ्रंट ऑफ द send word, common noun. Okay, next question is my father is dash engineer and my mother is dash lawyer. Now second question, B question is my father is dash engineer. मेरे पिता जो है वो इंजीनियर है. So what we will use here in front of engineer, a and or the now which article we will use here students, my father is an engineer, because there is a E, means there is a vowel sound when we are pronunciating that word engineer, E. So E is a vowel sound, so we will use here an. Okay, next in the same question there is a last letter is lawyer, law. What we will write here, we will write here A. Okay, is a, my mother is a lawyer, so we will write here A. Next question is Rohit lives in Belgium but he was born in UAE. Rohit lives in Belgium. Lives in Belgium. यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है, बेल्जियम एक जगह का नाम आ गया. And but he was born in dash UAE. यहाँ पे UAE कहा जा रहा है. So the Belgium is the name of a place. ये क्या है, एक जगह का स्थान का नाम हुआ. So I have already explained you the omission of the articles. Means if there is the name of the sports, nationality or specific subjects of any specific places names are there, no, we should not use any article in front of that. So we'll put the cross sign. Next question, next, he was born in the UAE. We will use the in front of UAE. Next is Shashika is quietest girl in our class. Means Shakshi is the dash quietest girl in our class. Shakshi is, which article we will use here, the quietest girl in our class. I hope students you are getting understood this. Now take the screenshot of this question. So I will explain you the next question of the same. Let's try 7. Yes students, now next question E is, now let's see the question E on the screen. The question is my sister wants dash the my sister wants dash dog for her बर्थडे, मेरी बहन क्या चाहती है, उसके जन्मदिन पर एक डॉग चाहती है, उसे क्या चाहिए, डॉग चाहिए. So dog, in front of the dog they have given us blank, so what we will fill here, we will fill here article if it's necessary, otherwise we have to omit it. So we will use here which article, a dog, so we will write here a. Next question, question F is the honesty is dash best policy. So honesty is dash best policy. So instead can we write the any article in front of honesty? No. So we will put the cross sign in front of the honesty and we will write the in front of the best policy. Okay. Next is the dash Nile is Egypt, isn't it? Nile is in Egypt. क्या Nile Egypt में है? So Nile. So what we will write? Nile is the name of a river. Is it? Nile river एक नदी का नाम है, तो नदी के नामों के आगे हम किसका यूज कर सकते हैं, कौन से आर्टिकल का यूज कर सकते हैं? We can use the in front of the name of the river, seas, ocean, mountain ranges. Is it? I have explained you this. Now next question is children like eating dash sweets. So children like eating sweets. हम वहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं लिख सकते because no article is used in front of the word sweets. So children like eating sweets. Children like eating the sweets. Children like eating a sweet or children like eating an sweet. There is no meaning of this word, so we will not use any article in front of this, in front of the word sweets. So we will omit this, so we will put the cross sign. Okay students, now take the screenshot of this. Yes students, now we are going to do let's try 8. You on the board, you can see the question I have written already. Write the following in the appropriate columns. Means they have given you 2 columns where we require the definite articles and where we do not require the definite articles. Means कहाँ हमें definite article means the का उपयोग करना है और कहाँ हमें the का उपयोग नहीं करना है. ये हमें यहाँ पे एक box दिया गया. You can see the box on the board first. We have to select the names. Okay, I have not put it the commas here. I am reading the names one by one first. First is the sports. Next names of direction. Sports means खेल कूद जो होते हैं वो. नेक्स्ट नेम्स ऑफ डायरेक्शंस, दिशाओं के नामों के आगे क्या द यूज करना है. रिवर, नदियों के नामों के क्या आगे द यूज करना है हमें. सुपरलेटिव्स यानी जैसे टॉलेस्ट, बिगेस्ट है ना, मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल, इनके आगे क्या हमें द का यूज करना है. नेक्स्ट बॉडी पार्ट्स, जो शरीर के अंगों के हिस्सों के नाम होते हैं उनके आगे क्या हमें द का यूज करना है. नेक्स्ट डेजर्ट्स, रेगिस्तान की जो नाम होते हैं उनके नामों के आगे क्या हमें द का यूज करना है. नेक्स्ट न्यूज़पेपर्स, जो अखबार होते हैं. म्यूजिकल इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स, नेम्स ऑफ कंट्रीज. अब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स इन जनरल सेंस, यानी जनरल सेंस में अगर कोई एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन का उपयोग किया जा रहा है, जैसे कि मैंने अभी आपको बताया हॉनेस्टी इज द बेस्ट पॉलिसी, क्लीनलीनेस इज अ गॉडलीनेस. तो क्लीनलीनेस और गॉडलीनेस दोनों के आगे हमने द का यूज नहीं किया था. इन द सेम वे कैन बी यूज द एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन इन जनरल सेंस. मीन्स क्या हम उसके आगे रिक्वायर है डेफिनेट आर्टिकल की या नहीं, ये हमें करना है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ. स्पोर्ट्स, द फर्स्ट वर्ड दे हैव गिवन अस इज स्पोर्ट्स. यस, should we use the name of can we use the article in front? No. So we will write the sports in this column. I hope you are getting understand this. I hope you are understanding this. Next word is names of directions, means दिशाओं के नाम. So does it require a definite article or do not require a definite article? Yes, require an article. This is not in article. So we will write the names of directions requires the definite article. So we will names of directions. Next is the name of the river. Yes, we have to use superlative, the tallest, the biggest, the most beautiful. So superlatives. Superlatives. Next is body parts. The name of the body parts, no, it does not require any article. So body parts. Next, the name of the desert. Yes, it requires the article. So we will write the deserts here. Next is newspaper. After that, नेम्स ऑफ द कंट्रीज, किसी भी देशों के नामों के आगे हमें द का यूज नहीं करना है. सो नेम्स ऑफ द कंट्रीज. नेक्स्ट इज द एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स इन जनरल सेंस. नो, इट डज नॉट रिक्वायर एनी आर्टिकल. सॉरी, एब्स्ट्रैक्ट nouns in general sense. Next, musical instrument has been left here. I left musical instrument, so it requires a definite article. So in musical instruments. Yes, students, I hope you have understood the let's try 8. So you have to do both the questions in your course book, in your textbook itself. You have to fill. Those students who are not having the textbook, please write everything in your failed notebook. Okay, students, have a nice day and take the screenshot of this.